So I finally got the Biodance collagen real deep mask. Super excited to try out. It's supposed to be pore tightening, really firming, and actually supposed to go on white and then turn clear when it's done. A lot of people leave it for overnight, but I'm gonna wear it while I work. So let's try. It comes wrapped up. Let's see. And it also comes with a little one for the lips. That's probably not going to stay on much because I need coffee. Let's see if this stays on. I will let you know in a few hours how it is going. A 1 hour check-in, still going strong. It hasn't really gone clear yet. It's actually staying on my face really well. I'm able to work and even drink my coffee during it. It hasn't moved. Super happy. I don't know if I could do the dishwasher and chores, but work on the computer, it's going great. 2 hours, starting to go a little clear. Hour 3, as you can see, we're really starting to get transparent. It's actually starting to feel a little dry as my skin's absorbing it. We still need to do this area, the chin's dry pretty much. It's just still comfortable, still liking it. All right, we are about 4 hours into the Biodance collagen mask, and let's see. I think my skin looks super plump, super hydrated. It's super enjoyable to wear. You get a fun little souvenir when you're done, and looks pretty good.